So before we really get into this course, I just want to introduce you to Aliexpress and to an extension called Oberlo. Now, first of all, what you want to make sure is that you have a Chrome browser. If you have Safari or Firefox or something like that, please also download the Chrome browser because we are going to need it for this course. So first of all, I want to introduce you to Aliexpress, which will be our supplier. So basically, this is the platform that sells very, very cheap products, and then we take these products and sell them in our Shopify store for more. And basically, the profit margin is the price span between the price that is being offered here on this platform for a product and the price that we are offering it for in our own Shopify store. So let's say we are buying a product here on Aliexpress for $5 and we sell it in our own store for $10, we have a profit margin of $5. So Aliexpress is very similar to Amazon, but you have a lot of extremely cheap products on here. So for instance, here on the left, you have women's clothing, men's clothing, phones and accessories, computer, office, consumer electronics, and so on and so on. So basically you have a lot of different kinds of products that you can buy here on this platform. So it is basically an Amazon for very, very cheap products. Then up here, I want to go with you to this one. Please, if you go to Google, type in Oberlo Chrome extension or Oberlo product importer and go to this page. So basically, I think it should be the first one that you go on. So when you type in Oberlo Chrome extension, it is this one all the way at the top. You want to click on this one. And then you want to add this Chrome extension to your browser. So you want to extend your browser with using Oberlo. Oberlo is basically a product importer. So you can say, for instance, all right, I like these products here on Aliexpress. And up here you will have your very small little Oberlo icon, and you click on this one and you can basically say, all right, I want to have this, and this product in my Shopify store, and it will automatically add all of these products to your Shopify store. And this is, what I think is just so amazing about Oberlo. So please download the software. We're definitely going to use it later. And don't worry if you don't get anything yet. I'm going to explain everything to you in the next couple of videos. So don't worry. All right, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.